We like to party. Y'all know what y'all do, but we like to party. We like to party.
Auntie Yonsei got this party live. Everybody and they mother at this cookout. Out back is where the real party is. Here, take a sip of this, drink that. It's been a little minute since you came out, so enjoy yourself. Spades table in full effect. The sauce got this novice lost. Rookie mistake, threw off when that should have been his book. He pass faded. From the kids table he never graduated.
My bad, Nessa. I'm drunk.
Hey Marcus, come play this hand. She extended arms for a hug. I know you, Spike's friend, right? Pretty brown skin with the nice eye, still on the table. She plays spades just as good as she looks. Collected the last 6 books. Set. Next. Stomach on E. What's a cookout without food, right? Hold on, little brown skin, let me grab myself a plate. Not a second too late, she says, nah, let me. Mac and cheese, chicken, fried fish, Hennessy with just the right amount of coke. Got conversation flowing, from pro-life to favorite colors and foods. Her favorite track, Views, is Controller. It's been a minute since he felt this infatuated. Actions folly, laughing turned into an accidental kiss, at least on his part. Awkward stare, visions clouded by bliss. Married man and father of soon to be 3. As much as he would love to do this all night, it's getting late, and he gotta get home. Wait, Marcus, before you rush to get gone, let me put my number in your phone. I'll save it under P.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm straight. Alright, let's go back there.
Go ahead.